Hello, my Libras. Thank you so much for joining me for your March of 2021 horoscope predictions. As always, these are general readings, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest. I encourage you to look up your rising and also your moon signs to get a better picture of what you need to know for March of 2021. Right now I'm shuffling the regular tarot, which I will lay down 3 cards. That will give you the theme of what you need to know for the month of March. Then I will lay down 3 after tarot for clarifiers. Then finally 3 more regular tarot for the ultimate outcome. I want to take a moment to thank my subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back month after month, for your likes, your shares, and your comments. I appreciate you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't you just take a moment to press that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you next month. Alright, so what do my Libras need to know for the month of March 2021? We have the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the World. Wow. Libras. 2 very powerful women and a completion here. So when I'm looking at this, the first thing that I'm getting is the Queen of Swords, of course, is someone who is not taking, I don't want to say any chances, but she's not going to give anyone a break. She's saying, I've been through enough, and this is what I want or how I want my life to be. And then you have the total opposite, the Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups, passionate, caring. She's, again, a mature woman. And she's holding this cup right now and just looking at it and saying, wow, how much more can I put in here? And what can I do with this? So one is in the mind, one is in the heart, the emotions. But then it brings you to that world. So that completion of what it is that you're wanting to do. So Libras, if this denotes 2 women in your life, that a mother maybe, a wife, however you want to look at it, this is denoting 2 women in your life. I feel that whatever's coming out of this, there is going to be a completion. So perhaps they were at odds. And then you're looking at it like, okay, fine, it's not like that anymore. This is great. If this is talking about you, you've gone through that. You have to have that balance, Libras. So this is complete opposite ends. So what you're doing is you could bring this energy and this energy together and make it work for you in this completion. Depending on what your situation is, Libras, look at it as coming together, completion, moving forward. Let's get a little better view on that Queen of Swords. Who or what situation is this pertaining to for my Libras? I mean, you're going to love this Queen of Swords again. But in the after tarot, the Queen of Swords is at the end of her sword is a butterfly. And the clouds are parting. And she actually looks like, if you look closer, she's kind of got a smile on her face. So what I feel is that that sword with the butterfly on top of it means she is making peace, that she's looking at things lighter because of the butterfly. Look at the bird in the background that's flying. So things are lifting up. And she is actually lifting that butterfly, or the butterfly landed on the sword, however you want to look at it. But things are looking up, lifting up. What is the clarifier for the Queen of Cups? The clarifier for the Queen of Cups. Ace of Wands. So again, we're looking at this as a blessing from out of the blue, that whatever troubles were around you, that the hand of God is coming out of the sky and saying, you know what, let's start over. Everything is going to work out now more smoothly. You're going to be getting ideas. You're, going to be able to dream again, because I feel that whoever this person was keeping this person from their dreams. Could this be a mother-daughter situation? Again, however it pertains to you. And what is the clarifier for the world? The clarifier for the world. Great. 6 of Cups. So you definitely are looking at a better time between these two people. It's like a truce has been called. And when I see that, and I see this person in the background walking away, and these two people running to this older woman, it's a time of peace. It's a time of happiness. It's like, God, the war is over. I feel some of you have been really been put through the ringer as far as the emotions go with, the females, the 2 females that are in your life, or it could be you. So we're looking at any possibilities. 2 females in your life. This could be what you've been going through with another person. It could be your situation where somebody thinks that they're the ones who call all the shots. Whatever the situation, I'd really love to hear your comments about what this is talking about. Let's see what the ultimate outcome is for those 2 Queen of Swords. What is the ultimate outcome? Wonderful. It's the 2 of Wands. So now you're going to be able to look out. You're going to be able to start planning. You're going to be saying, I'm holding the world in my hands now. Now what do I want? So Wands, again, you have the Ace here. It's starting you to say, yeah, I'm going to be looking at things. And now the 2s are the beginnings. Now I'm going to be bringing it to me, because you start at, what do you really, really, really want to do? This is your hopes. This is your dreams. What do you want to bring out of your life? What's the ultimate outcome for that Queen of Cups and the Ace of Wands for my Libras? It's the King of Swords. So now this is a person who is very fair, very, very balanced. This could be a judgment, so this could represent the law. So a judge, the police, anything that has, kept you in this restrictive mode, saying, nope, you can't do this. So permissions granted is another thing that I get. So because you look at this and then it's coming from out of the blue, the blessing, this, I feel, is telling you that whatever is going to be happening is going to be very fair and very balanced. And also I get over. So if something's been hanging over your head, or you've been going through a feud for a long time, it's over. It's done. It's been cut out of your life. What is the ultimate outcome for the world? And the 6 of Cups. The ultimate outcome. It's the 4 of Swords. So you're sailing out of these rocky waters into smooth waters. So that's why I said it's over. The feud is over. Whatever has been keeping you down, that you needed permission from someone in order to pursue what you love, it's over. You're sailing into those smooth waters, and what a great way to start the month out and to end the month out, because you're going to be going through a lot of different things, but it's only to bring you to this completion. And these things could be the emotions, of course. If you've been stuck in some place for a long time, then finally you're free. You're like, wow, what do I do? How do I do it? You have this newness in your life. So look at it like this. Start planning now. If you start listening to this right this very moment, I'm recording this on the 24th of February, then start planning now. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to give you a message from the oracles also. So what message do my Libras need to know for the month of March 2021? Oh, this is perfect. It's the angel of balance. Okay, Libras, you're all about balance. So you have to have things in a even way. And I feel this is where this is bringing you that message. It's a very powerful message that things are going to even out and balance. So the angel of balance is saying be centered and self-honoring in your choices. This presence holds a picture of liquid light in front of the pyramids, reminding you that a strong destiny relies on a solid foundation of personal balance and emotional equanimity. Although things may have been out of sync in the past, here's the Queens, this card is telling you that a greater equilibrium is now coming to your life. Remain conscious about how you are balancing your goals and your physical and emotional energy as well. Whenever you feel yourself getting off center or losing focus, call upon this beautiful angel and bring her intention into your heart center. Your intuition will lead you in the right direction, and the angel will guide you to a peaceful and centered approach. Here's your affirmation for this month. I live a balanced and centered life. As I care for myself, the universe cares for me also. What a wonderful way to end the reading, my Libras. Thank you so much for joining me, and as always, I'll talk to you next month.